All right, so just took delivery of the GT at my house with the GT guy. They flew him down. We went over the car for about 2.5 hours, and now it's down at Hughes Detailing to get the full Expel done and coating for the car. I was just gonna drive it down from my house to Miami, but I got overridden by all my friends saying there's no way you could put this car on the road without it being wrapped. So got a tow truck, got it down here, and we're gonna load it up in the shop and kind of go over what we're gonna go and do with the Expel in the different areas and the coating, and then it'll be here for about a week to get that done, and then comes the launch barbecue at AutoNation 4 Miami. All right, so I just arrived here with Brandon at Hughes Detailing, and when Ford sends you the car, they actually give you a paint date. And in that letter, it actually tells you that they highly recommend completely wrapping the car because of sticky tires, how low the car is, and it basically picks up rocks everywhere. So Ford basically says, hey, your car was painted on this date, wait 6 weeks, and then fully wrap the car. They actually recommend the Expel product in their letter. So I looked around and wanted to find someone who has already done a Ford GT, and I came across Brandon, highly recommended by quite a few friends of mine. And so we're here, we're gonna talk a little bit about the process that we're gonna do to completely wrap the Ford GT and protect it for years to come. We're doing an Expel wrap. What's it, an Expel product called?
We're using an Expel film called Ultimate Plus, which is their latest version of the film that was released earlier this year. And it's an 8mm thick film that's 8mm thick clear bra that's designed to be applied to painted parts of the vehicle, so pretty much the entire surface of the car. It's a sacrificial layer designed to protect against rock chips, scratches, things like that, and ultimately preserve the original paint on the vehicle.
Gotcha. So I always see, you know, I haven't done that much wrapping on cars, and I see it says self-healing. Now I thought that means it hits by a rock and it like in the sun and magically comes together, but that's not exactly what that means.
Correct.
What does not exactly self-healing mean?
So self-healing means that over time when you wash the vehicle or wipe it down, you develop these little swirl marks or little fine like spider lines over the surface.
Okay.
So clear bra, just like paint, will develop those lines just from washing the car, wiping it down, and basically with heat or hot water or just even UV just from the car being outside, basically the pores open and contract in the film and allow the top layer of the film to self-heal, so those little marks will go away with time.
Gotcha. Now we have a piece of it around here, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So this is the Expel Ultimate product?
Correct.
Okay, and it basically, we're going to show later on how it's actually cut from the templates that come specially designed for the Ford. There's a huge machine upstairs that can actually computer cut it, and we're actually doing a custom, semi-custom on this car, right?
Correct. So Expel has in their DAP system, it's a database full of a bunch of different kits for many different vehicles, and they specifically have kits for the entire Ford GT. So what we're going to be doing is using their templates and modifying them slightly by extending edges and deleting certain items out of it, like badges and certain areas, just so we can modify it and tailor fit it to the vehicle, so we have as minimal seams anywhere, and we're allowed to wrap as many edges as possible.
Yeah, because I'm sure you've seen some of these wrap jobs where the material doesn't quite go to the edges, and what happens is over time you get dirt buildup and it just kind of gets grimy and just doesn't look good, especially on some lighter color cars. Yellow is probably going to do pretty well with this, but so we're going to go a little larger on the templates and tuck the edges in around so that we don't have that many seams on it.
Correct. And we're going to make it look like there's nothing on the vehicle. Exactly.
So the idea is that you won't even know it's wrapped, but you'll be completely protected. Now after the wrap, we're going to do coating as well, and that's from Modesta.
Correct. After we do our full body signature wrap on the Ford GT, we're going to be applying 2 layers of Modesta pure glass coatings. And what these coatings are designed to do, whether they're applied to bare paint or on top of clear bra, is it allows a really durable glass layer to be applied on top of the film, and ultimately gives the car candy-like gloss and sheen to it, as well as making the car incredibly easy to maintain. So instead of having to scrub any dirt or bugs out the vehicle, basically wipes off incredibly easy. So decreasing your maintenance times, as well as making the car look incredibly glossy.
Gotcha. Yeah, so water basically just will fall off the car.
Correct.
Yeah, and it makes it hard to get dirty too, just because the dirt.
Correct. It makes it harder to get dirty.
Gotcha, gotcha. So what we have here is some of the BC04?
Correct. This is the Nanotech glass coating. So in a completely dried form, you'll see it forms a complete crystal clear piece of glass. So it's one of the most unique coatings on the market in the sense that it really is extremely clear.
Yeah, wow, it looks like Yeah, it looks like glass.
Literally is
Yeah,
glass.
that's really wicked. That's awesome. Super excited to get this done, although it does take a long time. We just got the car off the trailer. We trailered it down here, just not even to risk any rock chips at all. So it'll be here for a few days, maybe a week.
Typically, just
Yep. We're actually going to coat the wheels too, right?
Correct.
So this car's got the carbon fiber wheels, and so we're going to do the coating on the wheels as well.
Yeah, we're going to be removing the wheels, coating the wheels inside and out, so brake dust from driving is going to come off incredibly easy,
Awesome.
as well as coating the brake calipers too.
Perfect.
So,
Now there was a problematic that I've read on the forums around the back part of the exhaust. I'm going to go ahead and show you that part right now. But some of the early Ford GT owners who have also wrapped their car were complaining that the exhaust comes out the back here so hot that was actually kind of bubbling or, you know, damaging the actual wrapping or the Expel. So we decided to do a custom piece on the back, and while we're going to coat it to protect the paint as well, there won't be actual, you can kind of show here.
due to the amount of heat that this car generates when you're driving the vehicle, basically if we were to tuck the film anywhere around the exhaust, or especially tuck it inside this area here underneath the tips, basically what happened is the heat would basically damage the adhesive and the film would lift over time. So what we're doing here is we're actually going to put a seam across the back of the bumper, kind of like so. That way we're eliminating any chances of the film actually lifting, ultimately giving us as much coverage as possible. And what we're going to do in this area here is we're going to be applying a ceramic, a glass Modesta coating, just to protect the paint itself. Something else that we're planning on doing with this car is all of the exterior carbon, for instance, like all the exhaust vents, we're wrapping all of these pieces, as well as the undersides of the doors, just because of how the car shoots rocks from the tires.
Yeah.
We're actually applying 2 layers of film on the bottom of the doors to make sure all the carbon has as much protection as possible.
All right, so there you go. That's a good overview of what we're going to do on the Ford GT. So I'm going to leave it in good hands with Brandon here. I'll be back in about a week or so.
About a couple
Come
days.
pick it up, and we'll go over some more details and the finished product. And man, you got to protect these cars. You know, it's super expensive, and they're race cars, and they pick up a lot of debris. And you just want to make sure that
Make sure it's well protected and preserved, so many years of driving.
exactly. All right, I'll be back. Thanks,
Okay.
buddy. All right, so over here we got the machine that actually cuts the Expel custom. And back here you can see we got a big roll of the Expel Ultimate sitting right here ready to be cut. So this is a pretty wicked machine.
This is the Expel DAP pattern database. So basically it's a large software platform that allows us to have kits for many different cars. And here specifically we have the Ford GT. So you can see we have all the different kits for the entire vehicle. So this pattern system allows us to take kits for each individual piece and modify them to our liking. So for instance, we can extend edges all the way around the top of the bumper, for instance, and we can extend it however far we want. So it allows us to custom wrap and basically customize the kit to each individual car.
That's it?
And that's it.
Wow, that was fast. So what piece did we just cut?
This would be a quarter panel for another car we have coming in next week. So basically once it's done, we just click cross cut and it cuts the film off the roll for us.
Gotcha. At this point you would weed out the film and then...
Correct. From here we would put it on our tables downstairs, lay it on there, and just weed off the excess film that we don't need. And that way we have the kit ready to go and to apply to the car.
Wow. So when you add these coatings to the car, it makes the car really easy to wash because the dirt just won't stick to the car. Also, washing the car, the water just kind of falls right off. For drying, I use a Air Force Master Blaster, and basically after you're done washing the car, you can just blast off the water with an air dryer and just lightly go over the car. You barely have to wipe it down with you know, a microfiber cloth to get it completely dry. We're gonna do a little demonstration here. We're gonna pour some water on the car and just show how well this coating does with repelling the water and just making it fall right off. All right, here we go. We're gonna pour some water on the car. And as you can see, it just doesn't stick. It falls right off the car. It's almost dry already. The real bummer is I'm almost scared to drive the car. It'll probably never be this clean again. It's just amazing. We did every single panel on the car. We coated the wheels, all these little carbon fiber bits on these louvers. This was a custom piece right here. As you can see, you cannot see anything. Just a phenomenal job all over that carbon fiber. No seams that you can see at all.
We modify the pattern slightly so we're able to extend a lot of our edges, and it allows us to tuck all of our film into most of these crevices and edges, so that way when somebody walks up to the car it makes it look like there's nothing on the vehicle.
Even the headlights are covered. These carbon fiber pieces down here. For GT, it's got the arrow bits brings air directly from underneath the front of the car through the back wheel, and it's a wide open space. And what happens is that throws up rocks through the door. So you can see when we close it, right down here, that space you can see straight through to the front of the car. So, and it just pelts rocks all up into here. So what we did is the guys at the Ford GT forum store are making these screens here.
The GT guys in Detroit.
GT guys, yep. So this screen kind of fits down in here, which will protect from the rocks. So we're going to install these.
Fit right here.
And that'll prevent the rocks from coming in right there. Special thanks to Expel for helping us out, getting all the pre-cuts done with the materials and everything. It just came out amazing. If anyone in an area wants to come check out the job, you're welcome to come by and check it out at all the car shows that I go to. On top of that, we did the Modesta coating. We did 2 coats. And as you can see, the water just falls off the car. Washing this car is going to be super easy. And then, you know, you don't need to do it. I think it lasts 3 to 10 years, you said, right?
Correct. Well, 3 years on a daily driven vehicle,
right,
with proper maintenance, but on a car like this, you'll see much more than that.
Yeah, so we won't have to coat this car again. This is going to last a really long time. Super excited about it. We're about to head out. I appreciate you hooking up the car. You did a great job.
Thank you for bringing the car
Highly recommend them. And I'll put some links in the description. So if you want to wrap your car, check out Hughes Detailing with Brandon.
Oh, sounds great.
Good.